Okay, today we are talking about sizing gas piping using the longest length method. Okay, so when you go out to a customer's job site, it helps to draw a topographical map of the building. You can see here the house. We have a gas meter on the left of the building coming in. You can see the driveway and the street out front. You can see we have 3 major gas-fired appliances and 5 different sections of pipe. Section 5 is 25 feet long. Section 4 is 5 feet. Section 3 is 5 feet. Section 2 is 2 feet. Section 1 is a total of 15 feet. 7 plus 8 feet equals 15 feet. And you want to write down the BTUs of each appliance in the system. And that should be listed on the data plate on the appliance. And I've listed each appliance as appliance A, B, and C. So you're going to need a copy of the International Fuel Gas Code book. And there are several different tables in the International Fuel Gas Code book. It's important that you're looking at the correct table. In this example, we're going to be referencing table 402.4 for Schedule 40 metallic pipe. And the longest run method simply means you measure the total distance of pipe from the gas meter to the farthest appliance on that run. So in this case, it would be that fireplace at 45 feet. This is the only distance we're going to use when we reference this table. So here's how we calculate what diameter pipe we need. So the total gas load, 140,000 BTUs. You get that by adding up all the appliance BTUs according to their data plates. Outlet A is rated at 20,000 BTUs per hour. You divide that by 1,000 BTU per cubic foot, you get 20 cubic feet per hour. Outlet B is rated at 40,000 BTUs. That's the tank type water heater. Divide that by 1,000 BTUs and you get 40 cubic feet per hour. Outlet C is rated at 80,000 BTUs. That is the gas-fired furnace. Again, divided by 1,000 BTUs, you get 80 CFH. The reason why I'm getting the CFH is because table 402.4 lists the capacity in cubic feet of gas per hour. So using that table, section 1 is 15 feet at 20 CFH, supplying outlet A. So that needs to be half-inch pipe because 20 CFH falls into, you can see here on the chart, at 72. So it's below that 72 CFH. The second section of pipe at 40 CFH, again, half-inch pipe because it's less than 72 CFH. Section 3 of pipe at 60 CFH, again, half-inch pipe. Section 4 is 80 CFH. You can see that's greater than 72 CFH, so we have to step it up to 3/4 inch pipe. And then section 5, 140 CFH, that supplies all outlets, A, B, and C, so that will need to be 3/4 inch pipe. Now it's a good best practice, the pipe from the meter to that first branch, to oversize it. So instead of doing 3/4 inch pipe, a lot of times you'll see it'll be plumbed in with a 1-inch diameter pipe, just FYI. Also, it's important to remember when you're calculating or measuring the longest run of pipe, you always round up to the next highest number on this chart. So say your longest run of pipe was 42 feet, you need to go with the 50 foot. If it was 47 feet, 46 feet, 45 feet and 3/8 inches, you still go with the 50 foot. I hope that makes sense. And lastly, I want to tell you about this Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook. It's a great resource guide and training aid for facilities professionals. It has common shop equipment, documents, signage, labels, resource and reference materials, and shop equipment drawings, and more. It is available in ebook and paperback format. The link is in the video description below. And if you're looking for professional decals, stickers for your facility, there's a link in the video description below with stickers specifically for the facilities maintenance professional. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.